Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to print a booklet from Canva. Whether we are creating brochures, programs, or small books, we will walk through the steps to format the print design properly. Let's get started. For example, this is our booklet, or maybe we want to print this one. We need to click on Share. Once we are there, we click Download. For the file type, we change it to PDF print, so it is ready for printing. Then we click Download. Now we wait for the file to download. Once it is done, we can open the file. As we can see, let's also open the tool. From here, we click Print, and that sends it straight to our printer, so we have a hard copy of the booklet. And that is how we print a booklet from Canva. With the right setup, we can create great-looking printed materials.